Happy New Year! It's Janita, back again with another video. Today, I am sharing with the gardening community another update of my beautiful balcony propagated plants. As you can see, and hopefully there's enough light, this leaf here is this plant here, which I'm going to put before picture, because I forgot the name of this plant. I'm going to have to look at some of my old videos to see what the name of this plant is. But I just took that leaf that broke off of that one and I placed it in here. And look at all the little new leaves growing on that leaf. That leaf is the mama's thousand babies. The burrow tail, and I don't know what that for. What this leaf here is, I don't know what that is. Might be a weed, but how would it get there unless a bird flew over and dropped something? And that's the starfish sansevieria. And I got the Rosetta plant growing in this little pot. And that's my jade, a little jade. And that's a silver jade here, a baby one. And this is the sansevieria, and it's some thousands babies. Sorry about that, my video cut off. But anyway, that's that thousands of mama plants. They just fell over in there and they just growing all in this plant. Blue egg. That's the blue eggplant. And got some light on this plant. I don't know if it's showing right, but that's my video keep cutting off, but this is just a short video of another update of my gardening balcony. That's my oregano. Watch change. My mint plant is getting bigger. Spearmint, bird nest, junk. Here is my elephant plant. It's getting bigger. I'm going to repot this, break off some plant, and propagate this one into a camera. Keep cutting off. I guess I need to charge this battery. Guess that's a terrible update because camera keeps cutting off. I don't know why this thing been charging forever. Look at my burrow's tail. Polka dot ladies doing well. Starfish. Y'all remind me. Look how that starfish grew. It's crazy. Look like octopus. Well, that's it for now because my camera's going crazy. Hope you guys enjoy this video. This is my oregano plant that I'm going to have to replant, put some fresh. Video keep cutting off, so I'm going to have to charge this camera.